And welcome back to the 2 minute market. We go over today's market while keeping it as simple as possible. Now, what a day we had in the market. Now, I know the 2 minute market is going to be weekly, but today we had one of those days that I have to come on and let you guys know exactly what's going on. Now, the big story today was Nvidia. So Nvidia going into this year has been on a run, and Nvidia started yesterday at about $148 per share. Now today, this morning, Nvidia opened up at about $153 per share with huge news that their new chip, Blackwell chip, is going to do so amazing. Everybody was hype. All investors was looking to see going to shoot up in the stock market. And what happened? The exact opposite. If you look at this chart above, you'll see that opened up at about $153 per share. And then after that, it tanked today, and it tanked big time. Nvidia hit almost $140 per share today, and that is a huge loss today for a stock that has a market cap of that high. And actually, when Nvidia opened this morning about $153 per share, it was really close to being $4 trillion market cap stock. But again, obviously after today, it's not close, and it's sitting about $3.4 trillion per stock. So with Nvidia having such a bad day, it took the whole NASDAQ down with it. If you look at the indices above, you'll see that the NASDAQ was down under 1.78% today, and that actually brought the S&P 500 down under 1% today. So today honestly was a huge reversal, and that bled into the other stocks, especially the AI stocks, with Wolf going down. And again, Wolf was one of my picks for quarter 1 of this year to have a really good year, but with Nvidia going down, obviously Wolf came down a little bit too. But again, for that we have the end of quarter 1, so that's the end of March, to see what it does. Now again, when we have such a big reversal in the stock market, I always say that trickles over to cryptocurrency. So if you look at the chart above, you'll see that Bitcoin fell as well today, and now it's hovering about that $96,000 mark, as well as Ethereum came back down as well. And Ethereum, guess where it's at $3,400 mark that I've been constantly saying over and over and over again, that $3,400 mark. So again, we have to stay above it for Ethereum to be strong. So today was again a huge reversal, but what I'm looking at is the 10-year yield. So when the 10-year yield usually goes up, the stock market usually comes down. And that's very important to remember. When the dollar goes up and the 10-year yield goes up, that usually means the stock market goes down. And if we look at the 10-year yield, the chart has been very bullish. And you have to remember, once it goes up and then it goes to the right, that's called a bull flag. What that usually means is we have more up movement to go. So we need to see, will it hit that even number of 5% in the 10-year yield? And that's so important because another one of my picks for Q1 of this year was TLT. And the 10-year yield is so important to TLT is because when the 10-year yield goes down, TLT goes up. So again, once we hit about that 5%, it might be a great time to add TLT position. But again, and we have to wait and see, will we hit that mark? So today was a huge reversal, but we still have the inauguration on the 20th. Again, I will be back on Friday. If something happens, I will have another episode of 2 Minute Market, but take it easy. I'll see you soon. Again, this is the 2 Minute Market. Peace.